Ready to go. You ready? She want everybody to see her Dallas Cowboy sweatshirt. We about to go to IHOP. Yeah, we're hungry. And the word for the day is, oh yeah, I did have a word for the day. Go and be blessed. The word of the day is, yes, me, I'm trying to get a word. The word of the day that came to me was, go be blessed on purpose. Love you guys. Amyre.
Yeah.
No, we're calling them later. So you ready to eat? Oh, we're finna order. So guys, we have made it to IHOP. We're waiting for our food. Amyre, why are you pulling my hair? But that don't mean you can pull it. Okay, we have made our way to Grapevine Mills Mall. Rainforest Cafe. We're gonna have lunch there, but Amyre's birthday is next week and we gotta find us some birthday outfits. So we're just shopping. No, you don't need no hat. This mostly guy stuff from Amyre. Yeah. It's my Dallas Cowboy cheerleader. She seen the store and wanted to come in. Who loves the Cowboys? Who loves the Cowboys? You already got your cowboy stuff on. I'm out. Every time you see cowboy stuff, you want it. You can't get no cowboy stuff today. Not today. Oh, they have yeah. Oh, that's why I wear it. I don't know, Shakur. What? Where you wanna ride? You want some fries? Girl, we just left IHOP. We didn't go to the Rainforest Cafe when we leave. Oh, you want a bowl?
No.
I don't think that's a bowling alley, sugar. No, it's not. It's a cowboy store. It's not bowling. Okay guys, I just purchased the Dubai chocolate, so y'all know that is going on the channel. I did see a lot of the stuff you guys already seen me do. We haven't got to the freeze dry, but we're just here in the mall and this is out. Y'all know I love candy. Y'all know I love candy. But yeah, I've been wanting to try the Dubai chocolate. Hold on, Mama. Okay. I'm gonna make it to it. Okay, y'all, I know y'all remember these. I think I want to try that pickle. I want to try the pickle. I did not know this place was in the mall. It's actually super huge. We walked from the front part, but I'm going to take Amyre to BOWAL. Yeah, we came here. I don't need to show you. I feel like I'm in a Las Vegas casino. Are we in a casino or what? yeah, I feel like I'm in the casino, y'all. What is really going on in this mall? Ooh, neat. Girl, I don't know what to do. I guess this is a grown-up arcade place, too. But it got kids stuff. No, I'm finna show you something even better. This is a surprise for me. Yeah, we came all the way up there. Like, let me get this up here. They got almost every game you can name in here. What? Uh-oh, there go your cowboy. Oh, who is that? Who is that? Yeah, oh, cowboy. That's from the Dallas Cowboy. Which one? I mean, they got so big. This might be where we need to have your birthday party, Amyre. Well, she turning 21. They say she's too big to have a birthday party. Ooh, wee. I mean, this place is huge. This is bigger than David Buster's. And they got food. I still have nose. Okay. Grapevine Bill. I swear I love that. Never a dull moment. You get bored, you just go somewhere. Anyway. And then it's literally, what is it, like 2 o'clock in the daytime? Oh, Amyre, look. What is this game? Halo. You can get all the way on the inside of here. Okay, I'm sitting down. Oh, this is too cool. Tomb Raider. Amyre. Oh, I wish my baby did. You know what? I can put you in the chair. You don't like it? The music is spooky. She said, no, I want to go. Okay, let me show you something to surprise. That you didn't know was here. Like this, I did have all the way. I've never came down to this part of, well, I haven't been to Grapevine Mills Mall in years. And when I say years, oh, this is Tomb Raider. Oh my goodness. Girl. See, we might get on that one. But she want to go to the Rainforest Café. So we're going to go eat at Rainforest Cafe, Myra. She want to go in there. She want to get some footage there. They have the best games. This is a gamer's playground right here. What is this? That's supposed to be golf. I think that's a picture booth. 40. Oh no, that's another game. Oh wow. Okay, then we got this.
You must come down from your
Yeah, it was like a casino in some places. We had to turn the teenagers are making out, and I don't want Mars seeing all that kids. Get a room. Please don't get a room. I'm not saying. Okay. Now I'm gonna surprise her with one of her favorite things to do. Dum da da dum. See if we can make our way. Uh-oh. Whoa. Okay, I think this is where you go and you redeem all your points. Yeah, surprise out. Oh no, it's the big clip thingy. How cool is this place? Okay, so you can actually win all this stuff. Ooh, neat. Oh, and then it's another side of arcade games? Oh, wow. I did not know this was here. I mean, it's like so much. It's so much. I am overwhelmed. We're here at Grapevine Mills Mall in Dallas, Texas. Well, it's Grapevine, but it's just a suburb. There's all the DFW Metroplex. Okay, it's even more stuff around here. Just taking people's money. Oh, it is? Oh my goodness. Okay. Well, you might can have your birthday party here. I think it'll be a good idea. So I was thinking a birthday dinner. I was gonna do her birthday dinner. We're supposed to be looking for outfits. We can still do that. Oh wow. Yeah. We're gonna have to check out and see what it is to have a birthday party. Oh, because when you come to the back, it's four tables. They say watch your step. It's regular, like a restaurant back here. Okay, we're gonna turn around. And I want to show her something real quick. Oh, another dance thing. I guess it's a drum. Oh my goodness, this has a lot of different games in it. I bet this place is packed on the weekends. What in the world? Okay, so I'm gonna come back by myself and give a review because I want to do all this stuff, but I'm actually gonna come and see if I can do her a party here. Maybe. Okay, this is where you redeem your tickets. Yeah, that's where you redeem your tickets. And let me show you something. Do you know? You already know? Amyre loves bowling. You want to watch? You can't bowl yet. Yeah, I see. You like it? I'm not. I see it. They bowling. She loves bowling. Yeah. You did it. You did it.
And he got it!
You know, Amyre loves cowboys and she loves bowling. You gonna come back with your cousins? And bowl? Yeah. Now, look, he's finna go. Shh, you gotta be quiet so you don't make him nervous. This place got everything. Whoa, good job. Hey. I see. You like that? You want to have your party here? With your cousins? Yeah, they'll have a field day in here. It's something for everybody. Amyre loves bowling. Okay, we gotta go back up this way. We can't do these things. Yeah. And then this place is huge. A Pikachu. Oh no, that's Pikachu. That's not Pikachu. That's Pikachu. No, it looked like Pikachu. Look, baby. Look. We're gonna head around the other way of the mall, and then we're gonna go eat. We ain't even got us no shoes or nothing. We've been all in Victoria's Secrets, and we got Dubai chocolate. Oh, honey, you haven't pushed up here. Okay. We are still trying to make our way to the front. Oh yeah, they have a little jump zone too. We're on this side, and we gotta go on the other side to get in there. We're gonna run into a wall. We gotta go out this way. They have the coolest games in here. I mean, Dave and Buster has nothing in this place. This is what I wanted to see. They had a giant Connect 4 game. And that's Connect 4 hoops. Here it go right here. She excited just being in here. What? That's Connect 4 hoops. You gotta shoot 4 hoops in a row for Connect 4. How neat! I mean, they got games galore. Okay, we finally making it towards the front. Oh yeah. We got deep up in there. Okay. Now we got a shoe shop. And then eat.
A few moments later.
Okay, so we done made it to the Five Below. And this is the Five Below inside of the mall. Why is this like the Five Below of all Five Belows? And Amyre keeps saying, she want this, she want this. What you want? Okay, looks like we're gonna be getting some more candy reviews. Please. Ooh. Okay, y'all know I'm looking for the candy. We need a basket, Amyre. We need to get you something so you can be holding the camera and helping Mama vlog. Okay, so we are just looking around, exploring in here. It's so bright and pretty. Your cousins? She says she's gonna get her cousins and take them over to the bowl. Please. We is. I think that might be what we do for your birthday. That's sad. Her birthday is 2 weeks away and I don't know what to do yet. Ew. You wanna go? They have a small, large, medium. Yep. Oh goodness, here I am spending money again.
Mama.
What? Your cousins?
Yeah.
Girl, they somewhere minding their business. Okay, Five Below clothes.
No, that is.
Five Below don't got clothes. Like, actually, got clothes. Oh, I don't got enough Judy to put in there. I did not know they had clothes.
Mom.
Y'all know I am a sucker for some yoga pants.
Mom.
These are leggings though, but they have some yoga pants. Oh, that's a shirt. What? What do you want, girl?
Oh,
I'm changing my name. And shoes, I don't know if I believe myself. Not that it's gonna be the best quality, but you just never know. Ooh, baby. Oh my goodness. They do not have what I think I see they have. I gotta get them. I have to get those yoga pants. Why? Because I love yoga pants. Yeah. Y'all see these on the channel. Wouldn't it this got to be the best Five Below I've been to. And they got sports bras. What, Amyre? We not finna go bowl. We're not doing it, sugar. Okay, well, let me shop. Okay, it's the variety for me. My puss. These kids don't care as long as they get what they want. They don't care. She's fussing to go bowling. Oh, okay. I did not know Five Below be. Well, I've never been to this Five Below. Oh, the shower scrubber. Well, I got the famous TikTok when everybody was crying for, and I don't even use it. $70 going down the drain. Okay, what is this fellas useful? We just be bored getting stuff. Okay, let me get off the makeup hour. You fussing? Is you fussing? Yeah, you was fussing. I don't care. Okay, I know this ain't Five Below stuff too. Ooh, I knew it. That's $25. Five Beyond. I was gonna say this ain't Five Below. Oh my goodness. I would say this is not the average Five Below. Oh yeah, we can't be walking through the mall with too many big bags. Yeah, I have to come back whenever I don't have to push her and have an extra hand. Ooh, you want to get some for Princeton? Since we had to leave him. No. Ooh, you are a bad doggy sister. She said no. Girl, don't do my baby like that. Oh yeah, what is that? One of those collapsible bowls. Oh, it's a travel bowl. I just got him a toy day before yesterday and he just lost it. I don't know what it is. It's a ball you put treats in, and as they roll it, the treats come out, but he done rolled it somewhere and is lost. So they ain't getting him nothing else. Okay, I like this Five Below. Ooh, is that a Pooh Bear mirror? Oh my goodness. Oh, and they have a shelf. I actually need that shelf for my closet room. I might have to order one off of Amazon. Oh, they got little mini fridge. Let me get out of here. Let me get my butt out of here. It's a setup.
She's hiding something. When I give the word, we search the house.
Okay, but I still have 94 monkeys to go.
And we're back. If you want to come to a good Five Below, come to the one at the Grapevine Mills Mall. They got everything in here. Mark's pussy. Okay, let's get to the candies.
Yummy!
Ooh. Do you paint that? Oh, cute. I'm trying not to get too much stuff. I'm at the way back of the mall. Y'all know me, I would be with a lot of stuff unnecessarily. Good book. In places like this, ooh, you just never know what you might find when it comes to books. Crash Course in Building Professional. Well, I think my portfolio is set up pretty good, but it can never be not perfected. Is it witchcraft? Oh Lord, I'd be too woke for some stuff. Okay, we're making our way to the candy. Look at that. The crazy scene 3 for 5. Somebody mama gonna be mad. All in the carpet. That's what you get your friends when they make you mad. You get their kids some Play-Doh. Ah, they have the pill thingies here. I know they don't got. Oh my goodness. Okay. That's candy shop. Now I was expecting more from their candy section, but we'll see what we get.
I think I'll eat it now. I think I'll eat it now. Oh!
Every time I stop my vlog, I'm like, it's just something else neat. But I didn't want to show the candy that we chose, because I'm going to do a video. But these seem like really cool. Why? I don't know. Filled with assorted candy beads, wafers. I think I'm going to leave that one alone though. But I just thought it was neat. Yeah, I've gotten quite a few candies. Y'all remember these back in the day? What?
Lay off me, I'm starving.
So we made our way to a food court. I don't think we're going to eat anything, but I do want to go to FYE down here. This mall is huge. This is not even half. We haven't even covered half of it. The chilies in there. Ooh, deluxe Mexican food. Yeah, I haven't been out here in years, but look like I've been going to the wrong mall. We just left the Nike clearance store. I should have got some footage in there because they had like lots of $20 shoes, $15 shoes, but maybe everything on sale today, but I don't know. I've been going to the wrong mall. Okay, so we made it to the FYE store here in Grapevine. It is so different from the one that the one y'all see me go to at Town East. So, I've gotten so much candy already. I'm gonna have to just come back with a review later for you guys. Or we probably just come back out here. Yeah, because I got shopping to do. I've seen so many deals, but I ain't supposed to be shopping. I'm trying to, no, they don't got you more cotton candy. Yeah, FYE, they prices is gonna price every time. Okay, they got my boba. I want some of those, what is it called, dehydrated, buy one, get 175%. I want the sun-dried, not sun-dried, what is this? They just got some of everything. What pumpkin? Amyre want her cousins. What? Come here, please. What? All those drinks. Those are the drinks I tried last time. I think I got them on the channel. Y'all see anything y'all need me to test out? Put it in the comments, and I will. Oh yeah, I know I did those. But I got them from the Hello Kitty store inside of town. Oh, I'm gonna be doing some major editing because I didn't even know I had the phone on. So, who is this girl? I guess that's the anime people. I don't get it. Okay, for your entertainment, and we are out. Okay. I think this is kind of like the Hello Kitty store they have inside of Tennis Mall. Yeah, we're going to run in there real quick and run out. I know it ain't no room for us coming. Got boxes everywhere. Okay, literally, no disrespect, but it's like Japan and took over this mall. But they got really cute stuff, so we're gonna go in here and see what it's all about. You see, look at you. You on TV, girl. You a celebrity.
No.
Yep. Noodle cups. Oh, it's the chips. Okay, you guys are probably getting a lot of reviews from here. What is that? Baked green tea cake. Okay, I'm already liking the prices. Oh yeah, because I pay way more for these at the other stores. What, baby? Nana with a pump. You what? Right where? Hi, I'm fine. How are you? Okay, and that's a whole selection. What? Poppin' candy, cola, watermelon. Okay, we shopping. We can't vlog the whole time. I see, baby. I'm already trying to get to the back. Oh my goodness. Okay, grapevine milk now. Like everything is from Japan now. Ooh, matcha water, coconut water, oolong tea. This is what I'm looking at. What, Amyre? I'm trying to get some stuff. Okay, I probably can find those sun-dried, those dried crab thingies. What, baby? Chips. I'm finna get you some chips, baby. Which ones you want? Let's get you, and then I'll come and look over there. Look at this. Yeah, I definitely need more time in this entire mall. I'm ready. What you want? Funyuns? Funyun room. Like, look at this. We just didn't enjoy ourselves today in the mall. Which one you want? What? No hot fries.
I'm not.
You ready? I'm not.
I'm not.
What you want? I've moved you back. You still got Ruffles at the house, so don't get Ruffles. I got Cheetos. You want Cheetos or you want that popcorn? Any day now. Okay, I won't rush you how you was rushing me all day. Just hush. Okay, I'm ready to go look at some more stuff. She gonna take forever. Ooh, you want this one? These? 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 You can't have them. I told you no hot chips. No hot chips, honey. The crunch, all this is hot, Amyre. She just wants something. Here, let's look at around the store. You might see something else you want. So you just want to look at all this bag of stuff you got, honey. Okay, well, I guess it ain't enough. It's your world. I'm just a squirrel. Want to get some noodles? Oh, they even have all the little silverwares and oh my goodness. Amyre. Ooh, vegan ramen. Golden curry. I guess that's meat, but I'm gonna let that stay where it's supposed to be. What is this? So I wonder if that has those little crab thingies. What, baby? Okay, it will be Amyre's first time coming to Rainforest Cafe. Ooh. Look at the alligator. I told you it's gonna say raw. It's the alligator. It's not cold, it's smoke. It's sleeping. As soon as I stop recording, it's gonna do it. Watch. You wanna go eat? Oh, you don't wanna see that, dude. Okay.
Many unbearable hours later.
Okay, somebody's gonna go and have their first Rainforest Cafe experience. Ooh, you ready to go eat in there? It's a jungle. Okay, how do we get in? It's attached to, and then we right here where we parked it. Hey, I see you.
Finally!
Okay, we're headed in. They make you go through the gift shop in order to get to the restaurant so these kids can ask for stuff. Oh, look at the fish, Amyre. Huh? Yeah! They right there. It's fish in there behind us. Fish aquarium, like at home, but not as big. Okay, let's see how we work our way up through here. Ooh. Okay, sugars. Oh. Excuse me, baby. Okay. Okay. We'll take a photo in there later. Amyre, she's excited. You want to drink? this thing $5. Oh, Lord. Amyre.
No.
Say hi. What? I called your cousins. We can't just stay on the phone. They said okay.
We do have this, but we don't have it with spinach dip. It's gonna be with queso. Is that okay? We're out of spinach right now. So
I think the thunderstorm scared Mari. It's funny. She laughing. Look. Did that scare you?
No.
Yes, it did. You like it?
No.
Oh, you don't like it? See, I can't do nothing for her. No, she like it. What? It's the monkeys. I'm looking. She excited. Okay, we had a mommy-daughter day all day today. What? Okay, thank you.
My passion is eating free food.
Okay, so we got a sampler platter. I don't think we're gonna get nothing else because, baby, this is a lot of food. And then I got me a smoothie, and Mari just had that. She actually stole it. I had to go back and pay for it. Well, she didn't steal it. We forgot to pay for it. She can't even eat. She's so excited. You hear the monkeys? Hey, you a monkey. Don't put the whole thing in there. Gross, girl. Look at the face. Oh, goodness, woman. Oh, goodness.
there's extra sauces and some for the queso.
Thank you. Yep. That was funny. Yep. What are these? Yellow tank. Look at that big one, Murray. So that is our mommy-daughter day. Well, kind of. Bless it. And there's another next one back and forth. How many? Okay.
1 hour later, 2 hours later, 3 hours later.
Can you move it along? I'm all out of time cards.
1 eternity later.
What you done been in? Princeton, Deshaun, George. What is wrong with you? Why you all up on me? I'm trying to come up here. What do you want? He trying to find some kind of way to get up under me, right? What? Get from under my arm. You want to snuggle? I don't want to snuggle you right now. I want to be on my phone minding my business. That one in there in the bed, and you just, y'all, don't give me no break. Why is you breathing? Okay, come on. Let's hug. You win. What do you want? You're not getting all the way up on me. You want a belly rub? Come on, let's get a belly rub. Do you have to breathe like that? You hear him, Amyre? You spoiled old doggy. You spoiled. What do you want? No, I don't have to keep rubbing you. I was enjoying my time to myself. But you can't button in it. Hey. He trying to, goodness. I can't just do a rub by, just rub you and go on and be done. What? What did you get in? What's on your face? You eat that new plant, I'm whooping your butt. I'm sorry. And yes, I said whoop your butt. You're going to get a pow. Like that. Pow, pow on the butt. Goodness grief. He is so doggone clingy. Princeton. And he done knocked the back. If you don't quit chewing my hair. We've been gone all day. He missed us. Okay. I'm right here. I'm sorry. Say, Mama, don't be trying to show out for people. Oh, you mad? Did you snatch away? Did you? What? That's my hand and I can do what I want to do with my own hand. I'm getting an attitude because I want to rub him. What do you want? Oh, Dad, my daddy. Where did you get in, though? For real, because I know you. Why do you have white stuff? It look like powder on. Where did you get in? You know what? You get in something else and you get sick. I'm not taking you to the vet no more. I don't have $300 to be throwing around for you all the time. Yeah, he done got in some pills and just was barely clinging to life about a week ago. But Mama got him that better at a price. We don't know what he got in. He always eating and doing something he ain't got no business. Say, that's a puppy. That's a baby. Yeah, that's a baby. Bad self. Mister. Yeah? Are you gonna scratch yourself? Put your turkey up. Goodness grief. Okay. Okay. Personal space is being invaded.
That's all, folks.